So the best resource which I could find to collect my stories was my journey, my experiences. So yeah, I'll be sharing my takeaways from mentorship through my journey and some series of events. So it all started when it was the first day of my internship at Kaladkau, Gurgaon office, and with a very decent introduction to Kaladkau, I was assigned various exercises which I need to do to reach up to a particular level where I could contribute to build the organization further. And to reach that level, I needed to be up to that level where I would be ahead of everyone in one way or another. So the challenge seemed very interesting to me. I collected the exercises and went to my workspace. And trust me, when I looked into the exercise, it was something which I was not aware of. It was something which I didn't know. And I got started with whatever I knew at that time, and I continued working. And the more I got into it, the more abstractions came. And struggling throughout the day went by, and I had nothing in my pocket to which I could be proud of. I was very disappointed. In a deep distress, I just started packing my bags to go back to home. And suddenly I heard someone stepping down the stairs. It was Pratik, who introduced me earlier to Kaladkau. And when he reached, he asked a very simple question, "Hey, what's up? How's it going?" And I was very embarrassed to answer that question. And I simply said very timidly that I don't know what this is and what to do in this. I was expecting the next response would be, "Go pack your bag and leave then if you don't know." But the response which came out was pretty much shocking. And it was very surprising. The response was, "Don't worry, let's change the exercise if you are not ready yet, and we'll come back whenever you are ready." And I was surprised. I thought, okay, I was thinking in my mind, there was various questions like why this man is helping me out to go through particular exercise, why what is inside me which he is trusting, what he is believing, what he is up to. And with all those unanswered questions, I went to my room, and the next day came, the exercise was changed. I started working on that, and gradually I became better. And the more I became better, things started changing for me since then. And a fine day came when I joined the team to build Kaladkau further. And now when I look back into that particular day, I realized that mentorship is something, a mentor is someone who sees a potential in a person which the other person is not aware of. And he also sees like where they can reach together, what they can achieve together. And he does everything to bring that out of him. And relating it to the core philosophy of Kaladkau, we have a very we have a very decent belief. It is like the talent is a myth. It's completely a myth. Given a right exposure, we can create talent, and mentorship is our recipe. So yes, that's the philosophy which answered my question that day, and we all are the beneficiaries of this philosophy in one way or another. And yeah, when you start getting into the relationship of mentorship, the trust, the respect, the bonding goes up to a very different level, the level of intuitions. When a mentee, whenever he is stuck somewhere in a very handsome struggle, so out of nowhere, without even telling their mentors, the mentor know that there's something wrong, something is not right with the mentee. And the same happened with me while I was working in Rock Paper Scissors, a marketing agency which Kaladkau provides technical partnership to. So when I was working with RPS, I was being mentored by Vivek and Vaibhav. So there was a very complex thing which I was struggling with, and it was like 2 days passed, 2 sleepless nights passed, and I was consistently struggling. The third day, I reached out to Vaibhav for help, and he was very busy at that time. He didn't get a chance to reply to my messages, and I was stubborn enough to do things on my own. So the third day also passed. The third night came. 4 a.m. in the morning, I was working on the same thing in a saturated mindset. Suddenly I noticed a message popped up into my inbox, and the message says, "Hey, what's up?" It was Vivek, yes. And he says, "How's it going? Are you stuck with the same thing?" And I was like, "Yes." He says, "Anything I can do?" And I just flooded his inbox with a lot of complaints like, "I'm stuck at this simple thing from last 2 or 3 days, and I don't know what to do. I'm not capable enough of these things." He took a very decent pause, and he replied to me, "You know what? Not a Superman can save the day not a Superman can save the earth in a single day. It takes time." And I was surprised by the statement. And I thought, okay, not a Superman can save, what's the big deal, but Vaibhav can save this day in 5 minutes. And he was like, okay, if you think that, so it's Vaibhav in your head, it's all in your head. And trust me, at the end of the day, it will be you who will be achieving it. Not by yourself, if not by yourself, then with someone's help. And I said, okay, what's the big deal? I went to sleep, and he said that let's try it tomorrow with a fresh mindset and you will definitely get success. I followed the same, I slept, and the next day came. Very earliest I reached the office, I resolved that, and till the time Vivek came to office, I excitedly announced him that this is done. And happiness was all around that day in office, and I was able to accomplish that. And when I now look back, I see that mentorship, in mentorship, the relationship and the intuitions play a very decent role. Very often we see that with beautiful petals, there are always thorns associated. And yes, it happens in the mentorship as well. It's not always a rosy world. There are hard times, there are offenses, there are struggles, and there is a time when you feel like I'm not going to work with a particular person anymore. And the same case happened with me while I was working again in RPS. And you know that two vessels cannot remain quiet for a long time. Time to time they used to crack. So it used to happen a lot between me and Vivek. So when I was working in RPS, there was a project for an NGO to create a survey. So it was full of abstractions. It was something out of the box for me. And though I was getting into it gradually, one fine day Vivek came out from his seat and said, "Hey, what are you doing? Why is it not completed yet?" And I was totally surprised by the amount of heat he put in the statement. And you guys know that how offensive I am, and neither Vivek is very calm in his nature. So I also put my argument, and things went a bit far. The arguments got heated up, and I ended up with some words. See, that's the difference. That's the only difference between you and Vaibhav. Why can't you be like him? You always question back to back again and again, while Vaibhav, when he questions, always a help is associated. Why can't you be like that? And with that argument, I landed up on my seat, and Vivek went outside. And I just lost into my thoughts. Then I stopped the work, I messed up everything, and I was into my thoughts for 4 to 5 hours. It was 5 p.m. in the evening. Vivek arrived, he sat on his seat. After 5 minutes, we both got up from our seats and we took each other's name simultaneously. And that particular moment itself resolved all the tension in the environment, in the ecosystem. And then we worked together. We worked together on that project. Vivek helped me out on various stages, and we delivered it successfully. So now when I look back into that situation, the day where I took 4 to 5 hours, I was just thinking, like, what went wrong? Where I was wrong? Where the situations went wrong? And I recollected. Then after thinking, I went to a step back, and I recollected the larger goals. I started connecting the dots, and I started thinking, what are we doing actually, and why we are doing this? So then it came to my mind, we are working together to solve problems with scale, and we are working together to build Collectcow further. So with that thoughts, I collected the larger goal, and I started seeking positivity in the relationship I had with Vivek. And I thought, like, how this person is helping me out, what are the stages he helped me, and how he's acting like an umbrella to brace the heat of the world before it comes to me, till the time I'm ready to handle that. And with the connection to the larger goal, I was able to resolve conflicts in my journey of mentorship. And yes, now when I retrospect, I see that the larger goal always keeps you connected. Doesn't matter how much hard time you are facing in your journey. And the same thing used to happen always in Collectcow. No matter which stage you are, there is always mentorship flowing. And even now today, when I'm at a different level, different stage, where I'm getting a chance to mentor people where I was at once, so I'm realizing that the mentorship is constantly throughout with me. And there had been so many faces involved. The mentorship flows so naturally in Collectcow that we don't even realize that it's happening. But when you retrospect, you do realize that it's there. And there had been many people involved in my journey of mentorship, but the thing which remained constant was the mentorship itself. And the number of people you are working with doesn't matter. What matters is whether mentorship is flowing, is it carrying forward or not. So yeah, with feeling towards gratitude, here I wind up my words, and yeah, that's my story.